Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the time on your Steam Deck from a 12-hour clock to a 24-hour clock. So if you're in some parts of the world, they use the 24-hour clock more often, or in some careers. But we can go on down to where it says Steam right here, press this button, scroll on down to settings, and this is actually under general settings. It's the first option here. You may have missed this by going through the different settings down here. But we have 24-hour clock, always display timestamps in 24-hour format. Turn it on right there, and then we got battery percentage, and then we got our time zones. So it looks like I'm in the Central Standard Time Zone, and they have some cities listed here for you if you don't really know. So it's very easy, just switch that over here, and once you do that, it's going to get rid of AM or PM on there for you. Well, hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.